somebody else picking my items and just sending it to me. So we're gonna open it together and see what they have. Okay guys, so I did order my very first cloth and paper order. I went to their website, I got overwhelmed, there were so many things on there, so instead I just did their monthly subscription box. So I believe this is for the month of June, and let's take a look to see what they have, or what they gave me, honestly. So it looks like this right here is their index card of what's in the box. So I'm just gonna put this to the side here, and then we're gonna just open it up. Okay, so the first thing, it looks like it's a, what do they call this? They call this an, I don't know. But it says, I've learned a long time ago, the wisest thing I can do is be on my own side, which definitely love that quote. I'm gonna move this to the side. The next is a dashboard, and it says self-cultivation, and it's a noun. And it is the knowledge, the effort of developing one physical and mental capabilities. So love that. I'm gonna put that to the side. The next is another dashboard. This one right here is more of a transparent dashboard. Let's see if I can open this one up. And it says elation, beautiful or creative, inspired, peaceful, and perfect. So that's pretty. I think I'm pronouncing that right. If not, let me know in the comment box below, because I think that's how you pronounce that. Another one is a dashboard of, it looks like just textile. So it's like a wash. Let's see if I can take this out. So I think there's a, I don't want there to be a glare. And this one, how this looks. So the next thing, it looks like it's a home refresh and renovation notebook. So you guys know I am saving up to buy a house. So this right here would come in handy once I do find a house, because it looks like, it kind of reminds me of like blueprints, kind of. It just has tips to decorate your own space. And then it gives you some tips down here. And then inside of it, let's see. Yep. So it has like the project that you're gonna be doing, the to-dos, what you have to do, the supply list, and some notes. And then it gives you the contact if you're doing a contractor, the service, their phone number, their emails. And then it has like a design scheme, like color scheme. Like kind of like a mood board. And then it's right here is your space, and you can just draw it out and, or put pictures on here. And then I just have this. So I'm gonna put this into my house to home notebook. The next thing, it looks like it's a grid paper notebook. Let's see. So, yep, they're grid papers. So it looks like they're just a stack of grid papers, which I don't mind this. I actually love something like this because I take a lot of notes, even at work, and so I can use this anywhere. So I love this. Next, it came with an erasable gel pen, which I'm definitely in the market. So please let me know in the description box below if you guys use any erasable pens. I make a lot of mistakes when I'm doing my budgeting book, my plans with me. If you guys know of any good erasable pens, please let me know in the comment box below. So this one came in the box. Next thing is an arrow sticky notes. This one is in the color Annika? I don't know. I'll put it in the description box. But it's matte, so it's not transparent. And let's see if I can get it out, this little plastic. And they're just page tabs, so I like that one. And then there's another one, and this one is transparent, and it looks like it's like a black or a gray black color. I'll leave the color of this one too in the description box below, because I'm not gonna butcher that name and you guys be like, girl. So these ones are transparent. So I got that one. And lastly, it looks like the calendar. So it has has, see, where's that white paper at? We're just going to use the back of this so you see. So it has the month at a view for June 2021. So that's pretty. Let's see if I can place this somewhere. It doesn't have hole punches, so I'm gonna remove this one. This one says don't stop believing. I'm just gonna move it up. Oh, you know, or not up because it doesn't fit up. So let's see. Let's put this one in here. Maybe like that. Okay, sure, why not? Oh, and this one, I think I am gonna hole punch this because this one's really, really pretty. And I can put it just like in my beginning. So let me grab my hole punch. Let's see if I can. I'm just gonna hole punch this real fast. And let's see if I hole punched it right. Because this right here would be so pretty in the front of my planner. Oh, yes, yes, yes. So, love that. Let's see if I can zoom in on that. Okay, so, I wrote that one a lot. So it has the month June, and then it has the month at a glance. So, love that one. Just put that one to the side. And then it came with some more cards. So this one says, to make living itself an art, that is the goal. To make living itself an art, that is the goal. And then this one right here says, and now after everything, you cannot cave in. You are rising from the ashes. You are starting again. Love this one too as well. So I think I'm going to definitely put this one in my planner. Maybe, let's hole punch. Let's hole punch her. And let's start her, put it right there too. It matches like this, the color scheme of my, it matches the color scheme of my wallet, so I love that. But I still love my Hello Spring card. Like, she's still a beauty, but this right here is really, really pretty too. Perfect. So that is everything that I got from Cloth and Paper. I am going to check out their website because I need to figure out what size these ones are in. Hold on. I need to figure out what size these three are in because I don't have a binder or notebook for this size. So if you guys know, or if you guys know any good notebooks that are about this size, I don't know what the size is, so I will put the size in the description box below. But I think I'm going to find something cute for these right here to go in. I'm not too sure what I'm going to do with these yet. But if you guys like videos like this, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. If you guys haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.